If you spend hours watching YouTube tutorials, lectures, podcasts, or long reviews, what if you could get the key points in under 1 minute? Today, we're checking out Noiz and finding out if this is actually the best AI YouTube video summarizer in 2026 or just another AI tool adding extra noise. So what exactly is Noiz? Noiz is an AI tool built specifically to summarize YouTube videos. Instead of opening ChatGPT, copying transcripts, and writing prompts manually, Noiz works directly through an extension and mobile app to generate summaries instantly while you watch. The idea is simple. Open a YouTube video, click Summarize, and get the main points without sitting through the entire thing. Now let's talk about the features that stand out. First, instant AI summaries. Noiz creates short summaries of videos in seconds, which is great if you're researching, studying, or trying to decide whether a 40-minute video is worth your time. Second, time-stamped summaries. This is actually one of the most useful features, because instead of reading a wall of text, you can jump directly to the section you care about. Third, video-to-text transcription. You can turn videos into readable notes, which can help for study sessions, content research, or saving information for later. And another feature people seem to like is flexibility. You can view key ideas as bullet points, detailed summaries, or even question-and-answer style outputs. But what do real users think? A lot of users say Noiz saves them a surprising amount of time. Students mention using it for lectures, researchers use it to scan long videos quickly, and productivity-focused users like having summaries as notes. At the same time, there are some fair criticisms. Like most AI summarizers, Noiz isn't perfect. If a video depends heavily on storytelling, emotion, or detailed explanations, summaries can miss important context. Some users also point out that AI summaries should help you preview content, not replace watching every video. So, is Noiz worth using in 2026? If your goal is learning faster, researching YouTube content, or filtering through long videos, Noiz actually makes a lot of sense and feels more focused than using a general chatbot. But if you expect perfect understanding of every video without watching it, that expectation is probably too high. Overall, I'd say Noiz is one of the more practical AI productivity tools for YouTube users, especially students, researchers, and people who consume lots of educational content. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with another AI tool you want me to test next. See you in the next one.